What if, before you started work every morning, ChatGPT had already checked the web, compared what it found with yesterday, and identified only the changes that could actually affect your work? For this demonstration, I am not connecting with an inbox, a calendar, or any personal account. I am going to build a scheduled task that only uses public information, filters out that noise, and notifies me when something genuinely useful has changed. Welcome to Learn Data Easy. This is the channel where we break down AI and data concepts without jargon and without stress. I'm Charlene and I work in data and AI. For this example, we are going back to the data cafeteria project. So Emma needs to understand important changes to tools such as ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Gemini, Excel, and Power BI. She could visit every product blog, documentation page, and release note page itself, but most days there will either be nothing important or several announcements that sound exciting but make very little practical difference. So we are going to delegate the first pass to ChatGPT. I can create the task from the scheduled page, but I can also describe what I need in ordinary language. I am not simply going to say, send me AI news every morning. I am going to define what public sources it should search, what it should ignore, what it qualifies as meaningful, how the results should be structured, and what information it must not access. The schedule page also allows me to see previous results, check upcoming runs, and edit, pause, resume, or delete the task. Okay, that looks detailed, but notice what it's doing. I have defined the schedule, the public information sources, the filtering rules, the threshold for inclusion, and the final output. Most importantly, I have explicitly restricted the demonstration to public web sources. There is no inbox to read, no calendar to inspect, and no personal account for the task to change. So ChatGPT has now created the task and confirmed when it will run next. From here I can change the time, update the instructions, pause it, or delete it. I can also control task notifications through ChatGPT's notification setting, including push and email notifications where enabled. The real task will run tomorrow morning, but I do not want to make you return tomorrow to see whether it worked, so I am asking ChatGPT to run the first briefing now. The 7-day window gives it enough information to demonstrate the format. After that, each scheduled run should concentrate only on meaningful changes since the previous briefing. And this is where it becomes more useful than a standard news summary. So ChatGPT has not tried to fill the page simply because I asked for a daily briefing. It has included only the updates that pass the criteria we defined. For each one, it explains what changed, who should care, why it matters, and one practical action someone should take. It also gives me the original source so that I can verify the information myself. And on a quiet day, the correct result might simply be that there are no meaningful updates. The objective is not to receive more news, it's to receive less, better filtered information. The useful part is not simply the schedule, it is the judgment we added to the task. We told ChatGPT to prioritize original sources rather than rumors. We told it not to treat every button or marketing announcement as important. We gave it a threshold for deciding whether an update deserves our attention. And we told it not to repeat yesterday's information simply because the task is running again. A basic reminder says, check the latest updates. The task completes the first useful part of checking them for you. All of the scheduled work is available from one place. I can see when the task will run next, return to an earlier briefing, change its instructions, or pause it when I am on holiday. Because the result remains inside of ChatGPT, I can also continue the conversation. I could ask, why did this update qualify, or explain how this change affects someone who uses Excel but does not write code. Scheduled tasks can be opened and managed from the scheduled page, including their earlier responses and upcoming runs. The same structure can be used for many kinds of public information. So a job seeker could monitor public job listings that match exact criteria. A small business could monitor new grants or tender opportunities. A manager could receive a summary of meaningful competitor or regulatory changes. A creator could monitor product releases and receive a content opportunity only when something genuinely new happens. The topic changes, but the pattern remains the same. Search, compare, filter, and report. Scheduled tasks are not a replacement for a complete automation platform. They're particularly useful when work should happen at a particular time, repeat regularly, or monitor something for a meaningful change. Start with one public source of information that you would repeatedly check. Do not ask ChatGPT merely to remind you to check it. Ask it to perform the first useful part of the work, explain what it found, and show you the resources. Here is a question for you. What is one thing you repeatedly check that you would rather find already researched when you open your laptop? And if this is useful, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.